Dear friends, please lend me your ears and share this video with your loved ones, friends, and anyone who needs to hear this crucial message. We must be prepared. Have you taken the necessary steps to stockpile essentials in anticipation of looming shortages? It's becoming abundantly clear that the world around us is in a state of constant flux. It seems like at every turn, a new crisis is waiting to unfold. Natural disasters, conflicts, civil unrest, and sudden food shortages have all become increasingly common occurrences. It's as though someone has cranked up the volume on global chaos. But amidst this turbulence, there's a silver lining. Being forewarned is being forearmed. Awareness empowers us to take proactive steps. Our grandparents understood this well. They always kept a well-stocked pantry, prepared for any unexpected turns of fate. Perhaps their wisdom still holds value, especially given the uncertainties of today's world. I've been delving into the global food situation, and the word dire comes to mind. Many regions are already grappling with the consequences, and it's no longer confined to distant lands. Even in the United States, we're starting to feel a pinch. We've taken the availability of food for granted for far too long, but now the very systems we rely upon are showing signs of strain. Unpredictable weather wreaks havoc on crops, geopolitical tensions disrupt trade, and supply chain issues, which have dominated the news, compound the problem. Speaking of the news, have you noticed the rising prices? I was at the store the other day, and it's not just the fancy items that are becoming more expensive. Even basic necessities are inching up in price. A friend who's a farmer shared the heartbreaking struggles they face with diminishing crop yields. It feels like each passing year brings more challenges than the last. With the global economy in flux and financial markets showing instability, it's hard not to sense that we're on the brink of something significant, akin to the ominous darkening of the sky before a storm. But remember, it's always better to have an umbrella before the rain starts. So given everything that's happening, I've been contemplating what we can do to be better prepared. I've compiled a list of essential grocery products that could be real lifesavers during potential food shortages. These items not only nourish, but also provide comfort during tough times. Let's dive into these 12 essential grocery products. Salted or cured meats. Imagine salami, prosciutto, and jerky as Mother Nature's way of gifting us with canned meats, but with an enchanting twist. These time-honored methods of meat preservation not only grant sustenance, but also deliver an explosion of exquisite flavors that have been perfected over centuries. These culinary delights are a testament to human ingenuity, allowing us to savor their richness without the constraints of refrigeration, making them ideal for building up your pantry reserves. Preserved fish. Don't underestimate the allure of fish sealed within a tin. Sardines, mackerel, and anchovies, when preserved with care, transform into nutritional powerhouses, brimming with omega-3 fatty acids and an explosion of flavor. The liquid gold they swim in is as versatile as it is valuable, elevating a wide array of culinary creations. Pasta. The sheer elegance of pasta resides in its unassuming simplicity and boundless adaptability. Spaghetti, fusilli, penne. These are but a few of the myriad shapes and forms that pasta takes. Not only does pasta furnish vital carbohydrates to fuel your body, but it also acts as a blank canvas upon which you can paint your culinary masterpieces. Honey. Beyond its saccharine sweetness, honey carries the mantle of antibacterial wonder and a remarkable energy booster. An assortment of honey varieties offers an assortment of distinct flavors, rendering honey a versatile addition to your treasure trove of provisions. Seaweed and dried sea vegetables. Dive into the aquatic realm of seaweed and uncover a veritable treasure chest of nutrition. From nori and wakame to hijiki, these marine wonders brim with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and iodine. Their distinctive profiles have the power to elevate an expansive spectrum of dishes, transporting your taste buds to the depths of the ocean. Chia, flax, and hemp seeds. Despite their diminutive stature, these minuscule seeds wield a formidable punch. Chia seeds metamorphose into a gel-like consistency when hydrated, making them ideal for puddings and smoothies. Flax seeds, especially when ground into flax meal, serve as an abundant source of nutrients. Meanwhile, hemp seeds offer a nutty richness and an abundance of protein, serving as a delightful addition to your culinary repertoire. Instant coffee and tea leaves. For many, the notion of a day devoid of coffee or tea is inconceivable. Instant coffee caters to the cravings of caffeine enthusiasts with swift precision, while an assortment of tea leaves transports you to far-flung corners of the globe with every sip. Both beverages are teeming with antioxidants, offering a revitalizing and comforting respite. Dried mushrooms. Dried mushrooms emerge as the covert weapons in any culinary arsenal, intensifying dishes with their umami-laden flavor profiles. Furthermore, they yield a richly flavored broth when rehydrated, further solidifying their status as an essential pantry staple. Fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso are more than mere comestibles. They are probiotic-rich delights that nourish your gut while tantalizing your taste buds. Miso, crafted from fermented soybeans, introduces a symphony of flavors and nutrients to your culinary creations. Powdered eggs and milk. While fresh eggs and milk are preferred, powdered counterparts can be transformative assets in your culinary toolkit. These versatile ingredients readily contribute to both cooking and baking, ensuring you maintain access to protein and calcium even when fresh supplies run scarce. Canned coconut milk. This isn't your ordinary coconut beverage. It's a dense, velvety elixir extracted from mature coconuts. Its unparalleled creaminess and natural sweetness can transform a multitude of dishes, all while bestowing numerous health benefits upon the fortunate recipient. Frozen poultry and meat. A well-stocked freezer becomes your steadfast ally during uncertain times. By preserving the freshness, flavor, and nutrients of meat and poultry through freezing, you ensure unfettered access to high-quality protein precisely when you need it most. In conclusion, the art of stockpiling essential food items is not merely an exercise in preparedness, but a celebration of the culinary diversity and ingenuity that sustains us in both ordinary and extraordinary times. As we've journeyed through this list of pantry treasures, we've delved into a world where sustenance meets artistry, where simplicity intertwines with versatility, and where flavors burst forth in an explosion of sensory delight. From the delectable realm of salted and cured meats, a testament to the centuries-old preservation techniques that have given rise to culinary marvels, to the nutritional powerhouse that preserved fish embodies, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and captivating flavors, we've explored the gastronomic wonders that transcend the boundaries of mere sustenance. Pasta, with its timeless simplicity, stands as a versatile canvas for our culinary creativity, while honey, with its sweet embrace and healthful properties, reminds us that the natural world can be both nurturing and indulgent. Seaweed and dried sea vegetables invite us to explore the depths of the ocean, offering a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and iodine, while seeds like chia, flax, and hemp enrich our diets with their tiny yet mighty nutritional profiles. Instant coffee and tea leaves weave a comforting tapestry of daily rituals and global flavors, both accompanied by the potent antioxidants that rejuvenate body and spirit. Dried mushrooms, those culinary secret weapons, impart their umami-rich essence to dishes, and fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso prove that food can be a symphony for the senses and a boon for gut health. Even in times when fresh supplies may dwindle, powdered eggs and milk offer a lifeline to culinary excellence, ensuring that protein and calcium remain accessible. Canned coconut milk, a creamy elixir extracted from mature coconuts, elevates the ordinary to the extraordinary, adding richness and sweetness to a multitude of dishes, while bestowing health benefits. Finally, the frozen poultry and meat that grace our well-prepared freezers serve as a reminder that our culinary journey, while often rooted in tradition, continues to evolve. With each bite, we taste the legacy of generations past and glimpse the innovation of generations to come. In essence, our exploration of these pantry essentials is a testament to the intersection of practicality and pleasure, of necessity and indulgence. Stockpiling these treasures is not an act of hoarding, but a reflection of our profound connection to the culinary world, to the planet's bounty, and to the resilience of human ingenuity. It is a celebration of the simple joys of nourishment, the power of flavor, and the comfort of knowing that no matter the challenges we face, our pantries remain a source of sustenance, creativity, and delight. So let us embrace the art of stockpiling with open arms, for in doing so, we celebrate not just our preparedness, but the beauty and richness of the world on our plates.